If you are looking to add a splash of color to your garden, zinnias are a perfect choice. These bright and vibrant flowers come in a variety of colors ranging from reds, oranges to pinks and even purples. Here's everything you need to know about growing zinnias in your garden. Timing. You can start planting zinnias in late spring or early summer. The ideal temperature for zinnias is between 20 degrees Celsius to 25 degrees Celsius. Planting during this time will give them the chance to establish themselves before the summer heat sets in. Water. Zinnias require water to thrive. You should aim to water them once or twice a week. Ensure that the soil is moist around the base of the plant and avoid getting water on the leaves, as this can lead to fungal diseases. Land. Zinnias are annual plants that can grow up to 35 to 40 centimeters tall and can spread up to 30 centimeters wide. They prefer full sun and well-drained soil. One plant requires a minimum space of 30 centimeters from the neighboring plant. Harvesting. Zinnias typically bloom from midsummer to mid-fall. You can expect your zinnias to flower 75 to 85 days after planting. You can start harvesting your zinnias once they have fully bloomed. Cut the stem at the base of the flower and remove any leaves that will be submerged in the water. Common problems. Zinnias are fairly easy to grow but can be prone to powdery mildew, which is a fungal disease that appears as a white powdery coating on the leaves. It is essential to avoid watering the foliage and planting them too closely to each other. Climate. Zinnias prefer a warm and humid climate. They can be grown in areas with a temperature between 20 degrees Celsius to 35 degrees Celsius. Use case. Zinnias are widely known for their colorful and vibrant flowers. They are perfect for adding a pop of color to flower beds, containers, and landscapes. They are commonly used as cut flowers for bouquets and floral arrangements. Edibility. Zinnias are not edible and are solely ornamental plants. They have no flavor and are not consumed by humans. Overall, zinnias are a lovely addition to any garden. With a little care and attention, you can enjoy their beautiful flowers throughout the growing season.